What's up guys, welcome back to Tech Phantom. And the sale for the Amazon Great Indian Festival and the Flipkart Big Billion Days sale has been revealed, as both of these sales will be starting for the 7th of October for the Plus and the Prime members. Now let's talk about the one of the two smartphones which you can consider buying at the budget of under 40,000 rupees, which is the OnePlus 11R and the Google Pixel 7. Now, first of all, the Google Pixel 7 will be available for 36,999, and the Google Pixel 7 is inclusive of all the discounts and also the exchange discounts, whereas the OnePlus 11R is being said to be launching at the price in the sale for around to be of 37,000 itself. Now, considering these prices, the OnePlus 11R doesn't see major of a price drop when compared to the Pixel 7, but you can get an extra 5% discounts on the Amazon Great Indian Festival sale and the Flipkart Big Billion Days sale by applying to a credit card mentioned in the description below. Now, you won't be charged anything for applying for the credit card, so do check it out as well. Now, first of all, talking about the OnePlus 11R and the Pixel 7's display quality, then overall, when we take a look at that, then the OnePlus 11R is indeed having a better display with a 6.74 inch of a larger display with the 120Hz of high refresh rate, and even the display is a bit more crunchier and the brighter in color when compared to the 6.3 inch of a 90Hz display in the Pixel 7. So display round goes to the OnePlus 11, but one more round which will be going to the OnePlus 11 is about its performance, as the OnePlus 11R comes with the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1, which is the flagship processor for the last year, whereas the Google has the Google Tensor G2 processor, which is almost equivalent to Snapdragon 875 or even close to the Snapdragon 888. It does not compare to when compared to the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1. So here once again the Pixel 7 has the better upper edge. But if we talk about where the Pixel 7 actually shines is about its camera, as both of these smartphones do comes with a 50 megapixel of a primary sensor. OnePlus comes with a 8 megapixel of an ultra wide camera when compared to the 12 of a Pixel 7, and a 2 megapixel of a macro sensor. Now, the Google Pixel smartphone does take better photos when compared to the Snapdragon's version of the OnePlus 11R, as we all know how the image processing has been amazing on the Google's Pixel smartphones for a long time now. But the next thing, again, if we talk about the phone, is about its software updates. That both of these phones were launched on Android 13, and you will be getting 2 years of major OS upgrades in the OnePlus 11R and 3 years on the Pixel 7. So in terms of longevity, then the Pixel 7 is the one to go. But the overall performance is being said to be good or bad in both of these smartphones. But overall, if you are looking for a complete smartphone, then the OnePlus 11R does comes with a better option which you should consider buying. Now, the selfie cameras in these smartphones are indeed decent enough, as the OnePlus 11R comes with 16 megapixel of a selfie camera when compared to the 10.8 megapixel of a selfie camera for the Pixel 7. Now, in my opinion, I strongly believe that the OnePlus 11R does comes as a better smartphone overall when in a day-to-day usage, even if you are a gamer, and also when compared to the performance to price ratio. The Pixel 7 is more suited for the people who want longer software updates, and also the daily day-to-day usage tasks can be completed on the Pixel 7 with the compact form factor. Now, what do you think about this video? If you like this video, do consider subscribing to our channel Tech Phantom and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the very next one.